Hi there, students. To adduce. To adduce. This means to give evidence or to give reasons why you think something is true. So he adduced various examples of what he said in order to give weight to what he was saying. In a court of law, you need to adduce evidence to show that your case is correct. Yeah, this is like to cite, to give an example of something, to cite as evidence. He put forward a number of factors which he adduced in order to explain the situation. Okay, so to adduce, to offer as proof, yeah, to offer as support of something. So to adduce evidence in support of a theory or something like that. Okay, so if you adduce something, if you adduce a fact or a reason, you are mentioning it in order to support your argument, to back up what you have said. He said that smoking was bad for health, and then he adduced various reports that showed increased death rates to offer as evidence, to offer up, yeah, to give examples, to give proof of something, to quote as an example. Okay, and this is the idea of adduce, yeah, to use something as an argument, to use something to make what you're saying more believable, yeah, to quote, yeah, to mention, to cite something, to say that it's true, it's come from a certain place, and effectively this is just giving extra evidence. Okay, let's see, formality. I think I'd probably give this a 7 in formality. Use it I wouldn't use it informally. I think to give evidence, to offer evidence, to propose, to quote perhaps informally. So 7.5 in formality, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin. Ad, to, and ducere, to lead. So this leads towards a conclusion, and this is the idea of adduce. You are adducing evidence to lead somebody towards a conclusion. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To adduce.